Okay, now that you have your Coinbase app set up, we're going to show you how to add a payment method so that you can begin to purchase cryptocurrency.
How to add a payment method on the Coinbase app. To start, open your Coinbase app, then tap on the menu icon in the top left. Now, tap on the Profile and Settings button below your name. Tap on Add a Payment Method. Select the payment method you want to link. Follow the instructions to complete verification depending on the type of payment method selected. Once you have added your first payment method, you can begin buying and selling crypto using your Coinbase account. You can link as many payment methods as you'd like by repeating these steps and selecting the alternate payment method of your choice, then following the relevant instructions. Keep in mind that payment methods vary by country. You can learn more about supported payment methods by
Okay, all done. Next up is the video to show you how to purchase your very first crypto. So stay tuned.